Hi guys! So I can't wait to try this fix chocolate, and this one is the dark chocolate. This is exactly what I requested to my husband because I'm a dark chocolate girly. So let's try this. I have been craving for this my whole life and will definitely be trying. My husband is asleep and he doesn't know that I am going to try this alone. I can't wait any longer. I wanted to try this all by myself. Mm. Oh my gosh! Look at that beauty! Oh my gosh! Look at that beauty! Okay, let's just get a little bit chocolate because I can't eat all of this. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh, oh my gosh! Okay. Mm. Mm. It's exactly what I have expected. The pistachio flavor is a bit overwhelming. You can taste a lot of dark chocolate because most of the pistachio is overpowering the chocolate. But let's try again. Hmm. Hmm. As a dark chocolate lover, I will rate this, let's say, 7.5 out of 10 because you can't taste the dark chocolate. The pistachio is too overpowering. So it's just so so.